Welcome, friends, to Life Hack Central. Picture this: that is, you're standing at a podium, heart racing, palms sweaty. Sounds familiar? That's the universal, about to give a speech, jitters for you. But what if you could swap those jitters for cheers? Yep, we're breaking down public speaking today. And you might just find out it's not as scary as it seems. Hey, champions! Now, we all know that public speaking can feel like a mammoth task. But here's the twist: that is, it's only daunting until you know the secrets. So, without further ado, let's unravel the mystery behind owning that stage, or that room, or heck, even just that Zoom call. Hack number 1, your personal success movie. Ever found yourself daydreaming in the middle of the day? Let's channel that. Before you step up to speak, take a moment to visualize. Picture every detail: that is, the attentive audience, your clear voice, the applause. It's like playing a movie where everything goes right. Believe it or not, this mini movie trick is like giving yourself a pep talk. It's your brain's way of saying, "This isn't new, we've done this before." Hack number 2, turn life into a video game. Alright, gamers and non-gamers alike, this one's for you. Remember that game you first played, where you stumbled and fumbled? But over time, you got the hang of it, right? Now, imagine public speaking as just another level in that game. Each time you speak, it's a new chance to beat your personal best. Made a mistake? No worries, there's always another round. And as you go, you'll gather experience points, level up, and before you know it, you're the master of the game. Hack number 3, the art of the pause. Ever tried to sip from a water hose on full blast? Overwhelming, right? That's what a super fast speech feels like to listeners. The solution? Pause. Breathe. It not only helps you gather your thoughts but also lets your audience catch up. Think of it as adding drama, giving weight to your words. It's not about speaking non-stop, it's about making every word count. Bonus hack number 4, stories, not bullet points. Remember bedtime stories as kids? How they captured our imagination. Your speech can do the same. Instead of just stating facts, weave them into stories. Stories are relatable, memorable, and emotional. They turn your speech from a monologue into a heart-to-heart chat. And who doesn't love a good story? Alright, taking a moment here, if these hacks are making you think, "Hey, I can do this," then guess what? You absolutely can. And if you're loving this journey of discovery, don't wait till the end. Click on that subscribe button right now. Let's keep the magic going. Bringing it all together, envision your next speaking gig. The crowd is engaged, hanging on to every word. That's not just a dream. With these hacks, it's your future reality. If you're someone who loves building or maybe just saving cash on a big project, be sure to watch Construction Management: Tips to Save Money on Your Next Home Construction Project. It's got insights that'll blow your mind. And now, a little challenge: that is, drop a comment sharing a time when public speaking threw you off balance. How'd you handle it? Trust me, your experiences are gold for someone else out there. If you're still here and haven't subscribed, come on over. Join our Life Hack Central fam, where life gets simpler and way more fun with every video.